H2, AtheroNova Inc. Strong ATHR Stock Analysis. General Overview and Trend. ATHR has been in a consistent downtrend over the past 3 months, starting at around 15.5 in June and declining to 572 by September 5. The stock experienced significant volatility, particularly in late July, when it dropped sharply from around 13 to below 7. This downward trajectory has continued into September, with the stock reaching new lows. The price action shows lower highs and lower lows, characteristic of a bearish trend. Price and volume. The price movement demonstrates a clear downward trajectory with persistent selling pressure. Volume has been sporadic, with notable spikes, especially on July 23rd, when volume reached 389,450, coinciding with a sharp price decline. The most recent trading day, September 5th, showed a price of 572 with volume of 3,713. The high volume on down days suggests strong selling interest and conviction among market participants. Moving averages EMA and SMA. All moving averages confirm the bearish trend, with shorter-term averages trading below longer-term ones. The SMA 5 is at 6,493, EMA 5 at 6,385. SMA 10 at 6,855, and EMA 10 at 6,903. Longer-term averages, like SMA 50 at 9,821 and EMA 50 at 9,050.72, are significantly above the current price, reinforcing the downtrend. The fact that the current price trades below all these moving averages strengthens the bearish outlook. Technical indicators. The technical indicators paint a uniformly bearish picture. The EMAs are below the SMAs for most periods, indicating bearish momentum. The VWAP, at 8,437, is well above the current price, suggesting that the average price paid by traders is higher than the current valuation, which could indicate further downside potential. This divergence between VWAP and current price often suggests continued weakness. Linear regression. A linear regression analysis would show a distinct downward slope, confirming the bearish trend over the 3-month period. The stock has consistently made lower highs and lower lows, which is characteristic of a strong downtrend. The regression line would likely act as resistance in any potential future rallies. Opening price prediction for next trading day. Given the strong downtrend and the fact that the stock closed at 5.72 on September 5th, we might expect the opening price on September 6th to be around 5.65 to 5.75, continuing the downward trajectory unless there's a significant catalyst to reverse the trend. Support and resistance analysis. The stock is currently below all key support levels. The nearest support might be around 5.5 to 5.6, with resistance at the recent high of around 6.35 from September 3rd. Given the strong downtrend, the stock is likely to continue testing lower support levels. The intraday movement style has been characterized by gaps down and sustained selling pressure throughout the day. Possible high and low values based on daily ATR-14. While the ATR-14 value isn't directly provided, we can estimate it based on recent price ranges. Given the recent volatility, the stock could potentially move 0.3 to 0.5 in either direction during the next trading session. This would suggest a possible high around 6.2 and a possible low around 5.2. Possible scenarios. In a bearish scenario, The stock could break below 5.5 and test lower support levels around 5.0. In a more neutral scenario, the stock might consolidate between 5.5 and 6.0. A bullish reversal would require the stock to break above the 6.5 resistance level, which seems unlikely given the current trend and momentum. Conclusion: ATHR is in a strong downtrend with all technical indicators pointing to further potential downside. The stock is trading below all key moving averages, and volume patterns suggest continued selling pressure. Traders should be cautious and look for confirmation of a trend reversal before considering long positions. Risk management is essential when trading or investing in this stock, given its strong bearish momentum.